Hi everyone, today we will see basic electrical and electronics engineering subject R23 regulation for JNTU Anantapur. There are two parts in BEEE. One is electrical part, another one is electronics part. In electrical part and electronics part, both will cover what is the syllabus regarding BEEE subject that is common for every branch for CS, CAI, artificial intelligence, computer science engineering students. Everyone it is common. This is the basic electrical and electronics engineering syllabus common to all branches of engineering R23 syllabus BEEE. Usually BEEE is common for all branches previously also, but there are a lot of changes happens in part A, electrical engineering part A compared to previously. They included different chapters also. Previously DC and AC circuits also there, but the syllabus is somewhat reduced in DC circuits and AC circuits. Coming to unit 2, machines and measuring instruments. Machines and measuring instruments both will be studied. Machines, some machines are generators and motors, both DC generators and motors. Only principle of operation. Previously shunt, series, compound, different types of DC generators, DC motors already previous syllabus you can see in BEEE R15 R13 regulations. Mission somewhat reduced. DC generator, DC motor, principle of operation, construction only. There are a lot of changes happens in missions. Totally syllabus is reduced. 3-phase induction motor, alternator, application. Only basics will be included unit 2. What is a DC motor, DC generator, principle, the principle of operation of DC motor and DC generator is Faraday's laws. What are the definitions of Faraday's law? Faraday's law of Fleming's left-hand rule, right-hand rule. 3-phase induction motor, alternator, applications of electrical machines. This comes under machines. It is newly introduced in BEEE measuring instruments. Measuring instrument is the one of the subject for EEE students. EEE students having the subject measuring instruments, measurement and sensors. EC students also measuring instruments, measurements and sensors, instrumentation subject will be there. Somewhat it is basics of measuring instruments, construction working principle of permanent magnet, moving coil instrument, DC measuring instrument it is, moving iron instruments, Wheatstone bit. Simple introduction is given for instrumentation also. It is helpful for only EC students. And CSC students no need to bother about what is the principle of operation and what are the different types of moving iron instruments, Wheatstone bit. Simple 3 topics only. Coming to unit 3, it is totally different. Energy sources, electricity bill and safety measures. This is a new syllabus which we added for BEEE. Previously it is not there. This much of knowledge is not there for BEEE R13 or R15. But it is energy resources. What are how many ways we are getting energy, that is conventional and non-conventional resources, layout of different power plants, power generating systems, that is hydro, nuclear, hydro and wind power generation, how the power is generated, electricity bill for laptops and PCs, laptops, printers, different types of instruments which we are using, apparatus which we are using, household purpose, what are the laptops, printers we are using. For that laptops, if you consume 1 hour, how much energy will be consumed? That is common for all branches, but it is included for how to calculate electrical energy for your home can be found from this chapter. Power, PCs, laptops, printers, definition of 1 unit, definition of unit in the sense 1 kWh, how the power 1 kilowatt hour used for 1 hour, then it is a 1 unit. Like that, 2-part electricity, how the tariff will be for your electricity bill, how the tariff, the rate at which electrical energy is purchased, that is called tariff. Tariff is 2-part tariff. For industries different tariff, that is a 3-part tariff, block rate tariff, different types. Calculation of electricity bill for your home, domestic consumers. Equipment and safety measures. This is a new topics, new syllabus introduced for BEEE, which is not there in earlier R13 and R15, R20 regulations. Coming to electronics part, we will see another. The important topics also we will see later on. For that, This is the electronics part. We will see what are the semiconductor devices, basic electronic circuit, instrumentation, and digital electronics are the three chapters for BEEE. This is the new R23 regulation for JNTU Anandapur. It is very easy, but if you understand, it is very easy to pass, but it is very difficult to pass also when you are not understanding the topics. Now we will see what are the important topics related to BEEE, how to prepare those, what are the topics, let us see for that. And one more electronics part also will be covered very soon in this channel. Please subscribe and press bell icon. Thank you.